It's been a bloody good week for Wissam Ben Yedder.First. He destroyed Manchester United in the Champions League, then got a call up to the French national side, and now he's trolled Paul Pogba in a brilliant way. Manchester United were not very good during the majority of the two legs against Sevilla in the Champions League, and pretty much deserved to go out, especially after refusing to attack in the first leg in Spain. Check out our video of Gary Lineker's funniest tweets. That said, though, things could have been a lot different. Despite being rubbish, United were still in with a shout in the tie up until Wissam Ben Yedder was brought on in the second half at Old Trafford. The Frenchman changed the game on its head, and his pace clearly pained Jose Mourinho's side at the back. Once they'd taken the lead, his presence only grew as the La Liga side hit their Premier League opponents on the break. The performance has given Ben Yedder another meeting with Paul Pogba, this time as colleagues, though. He's been called up to Didier Deschamps' side to face Colombia and Russia this week. If Ben Yedder wasn't popular enough, he had everyone howling with his ribbing of Pogba on Twitter when the pair met. The 27-year-old has got his first call up to the national side at the perfect time. The international friendlies this week are the last ones before managers start having to pick their 30-man squads for the World Cup. The former Toulouse striker has never really been a prolific scorer, but his pace does make him a worry for defenders. He has bagged 6 league goals this season, but a very impressive 10 in Europe.